Understanding 3/4 of a guide to fractional phrases in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase 3/4 of. This is a common expression in English, used to describe a fraction or a portion of something. Whether you're dealing with mathematics, everyday life, or even literature, understanding this phrase will greatly enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in and demystify 3/4 of together. 3/4 of refers to 75% or 3 parts out of 4. It's a fractional phrase used to describe a situation where something is divided into 4 equal parts. And we are talking about 3 of those parts. This can apply to numbers, quantities, time, or even abstract concepts. For instance, if you have a pizza cut into 4 equal slices, taking 3 slices means you have 3/4 of the pizza. Let's see how 3/4 of is used in different sentences. 1. Quantitative use. 3/4 of the students passed the exam. This means 75% of the student group. 2. Time. I spend 3/4 of my day at work. This implies that out of a full day, 75% is spent at work. 3. Abstract concepts. She understood 3/4 of the lecture. Here, it indicates comprehension of 75% of the content. There are similar fractional phrases like half of 50%, 1/4 of 25%, and 2/3 of approximately 66.67%. These are used in the same way but represent different portions. It's important to understand these to fully grasp fractional expressions in English. Be careful not to confuse 3/4 of with 3/4 of. While they mean the same, 3/4 is more common in American English, whereas 3/4 is preferred in British English. Try using 3/4 of in your own sentences. Here are some prompts. Describe how much of a book you have read. Talk about how much of your daily time is spent on a certain activity. Explain the portion of a group that shares a common characteristic. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase 3/4 of. It's a useful and common expression in English, and now you know how to use it correctly in various contexts. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you use 3/4 of confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.